Woo! Cow planking! Or, not owling! That's what I meant! Look at that concentration.
Hi, pizza! Oh my gosh, you know that.
Look how much of a retard you look like! Woo! There, Bear.
Staring at me.
Well, dude, you're owling!
Stop! Why am I so weird?
It was your idea for this whole thing!
Everyone stares at me.
Dude, you're...
Like, what the fuck was just that retarded frog? Okay. I'm falling.
What's the retarded frog with fucking black pants?
Whoa, there's something sparkly on your pants.
It's probably this thing. Come on, Owl, let's go. Amazing adventure.
Amazing adventure! Okay, today what we're doing is owling, planking,
Okay, we gotta put in the
and coning.
Coning, that was my idea.
Yeah,
We're
owling,
going through the
planking, and
intersection.
coning. So far,
the intersection.
we've already started owling. Yeah, I just died.
Yeah, you did actually. Oh, we're just gonna turn this way. We're blocking the intersection. See? Intersection.
Intersection.
Wait, where's that little sign that says don't block the intersection? You should plank on that. Plank on that thing, the rusty thing. Hey, we gotta put planking somewhere in this.
I'm having fun.
Of course you are. Dude, you look like you're doing duck face.
I am.
Oh yeah, look at all these cars going by. Come on before you hurt yourself. Come on, join me in this adventure.
I just flew.
I think I caught that right there.
You just like pointed it towards the ground.
This thing's later.